Hello dear students, welcome to AK Agriculture lecture number 1, that is Introductory Plant Pathology or Phytopathology. So let's start the lecture. Firstly we will see from where the word plant pathology comes. So word plant pathology comes from Greek language. Okay. So I will tell you one thing, that those words are end with alphabet Y or comes from always Greek word. Just like pathology. Pathology is the Greek word. Next is etiology. Etiology is also a Greek word. Okay. Then the plant pathology are also called as phytopathology. Phytopathology words are divided into three parts. First one is phytos, means plant. Okay. Second part is pathos. Pathos means suffering. And third part is logos. Logos means to study. So shortly, phytopathology means plant suffering study. So, what is the definition of plant pathology? Plant pathology is the branch of agricultural science which deals with the study of causal agent, etiology, resulting losses, and management of plant diseases. Okay, so what is meant by causal agent? The agent which cause damage to the plants. Okay, so there are many agents which cause damage to the plants. Some are living, some are non-living, and some are in between living and non-living. Okay, and the next is etiology. Etiology means scientific study of causal agent. Okay, then next is resulting losses. Is the resulting losses means is the agent damage the plant, then in how many quantity losses occurs on the plant, or in what percentage the losses occurs on the plant, called as resulting losses. And in the last, the management of that plant disease, how to control that disease, or which management practices are applied for the controlling of that disease, called as plant pathology. So in short, प्लांट पैथोलॉजी क्या है? एक एग्रीकल्चरल साइंस का ब्रांच है जिसमें हम जो एजेंट है जो प्लांट को डिसीज कॉज करते हैं उनका साइंटिफिक स्टडी करते हैं. वो एजेंट कितने परसेंटेज में लॉसेस क्रिएट करते हैं प्लांट के ऊपर, हम वो देखते हैं, और उनको मैनेज कैसे करते हैं, उनको कंट्रोल कैसे करते हैं, ये सब हम प्लांट पैथोलॉजी में देखते हैं. देन नेक्स्ट इज द objectives of plant pathology. So what are the objectives of plant pathology? There are 4 objectives of plant pathology. First one is to study the biotic, mesobiotic and abiotic causes of disorder or diseases. So what is mean by biotic causes? The causes which occurs by living things, called as biotic causes, just like microorganisms or animal etc. Those causes the plants on those causes damage to the plants, called as biotic agent. Okay, then next is mesobiotic. Mesobiotic is the damage caused by viruses or viroids. That's mean when the viruses and viroids are occurs damage in the plant, then it's called as living thing. And when the damage occurs outside the position or external part of the plant, then the viruses and viroids called as non-living agent. Therefore viruses and viroids are comes under the mesobiotic group. Okay, then last is abiotic. Abiotic means what? Some environmental factors causes damage to the plant, just like high or low temperature, high or low oxygen level, pH, etc. All environmental factors, those affect on the plant and cause the damage. Okay, so first objective we see the biotic, abiotic and mesobiotic causes of the plant diseases. Then second objective is to study the mechanism of disease development by the pathogen. So how the agent attack on the plant, at what stage of plant it get damaged, or plant, or what type of disease cycles are occurred on the plant. All these are comes under the mechanism of disease development. Okay. Then third objective is to study the plant pathogen interaction with the environment. Means what? How the host and pathogen interacted. Host means what? Plant. Okay. When pathogen comes and interact with the host, then what type of environmental condition they required for their growth. And then fourth objective is to develop the method of management of plant diseases. So after these three objective study, we decided which type of practices can control any plant disease for the improving quality, quantity of plants or reduces the damage of the plant diseases. Okay, got it? What are the objectives of plant pathology? Then what is mean by plant diseases? A physiological disorder or structural abnormality that is harmful to the plants or only its part or product that reduces the economic values called as plant diseases. Means what? Means any physiological disorder that affect on the yield of the plant, because yield and production are directly proportional to the economic value. Okay, here in the image there are three pots. In pot A, plants look like healthy, means no any plant disease or no any physiological disorder or no any structural abnormalities occurs on that plant. So this type of plant gives us more yield. Okay, then in pot B, plant look like with some structural abnormality or some physiological disorder, means the leaves and the flowers turn to downward position or not look like healthy plants. Okay, or not look like something or look like something bad happening with that plant internally or externally, that affect on the growth of the plants. Okay, this all for pot B. Then in pot C, the plant disease occurs on the plant and plant get damaged. So stop the growth of the plant and plant become die. So in shortly, what happens in these three pots? Pots A healthy है, pot B structural changes हो रहे हैं and pot C में प्लांट डिसीज टोटली आ गया है एंड प्लांट डिसीज आने की वजह से जो इकोनॉमिक वैल्यू है प्लांट का वो कम हो जाएगा. Okay, got it? What is mean by plant diseases? Then next is the branches of plant pathology. There are 6 branches of plant pathology. So first one is mycology. Mycology means what? Study of fungus. Those fungus causes diseases on the plant. Okay. Then next one is bacteriology. Study of bacteria. Third branch is virology. Study of viruses. Those causing diseases on the plant and damage the plant. Next branch is nematology. Study of all nematodes. Next is phycology. Study of algae. And last one is molecules. Study of all phytoplasma like organisms. Study of all spheroplasma like organism. Okay. Then next is the father of plant pathology. Then who is the father of plant pathology? There are 2 fathers of plant pathology, one at international level and one at Indian level. So at international level, the father of plant pathology is Anton D. Berry, and at Indian level, the father of plant pathology is Edwin John Butler. Okay. Then next is the father of mycology. So what is meant by mycology? Study of fungus. So who is the father of mycology? P.A. Miceli. Pierre Anthony Miceli is the father of mycology. Okay. Next is the father of bacteriology. Bacteriology means study of all disease causing bacterial study. Okay. Then who is the father of bacteriology? A.V. Leeuwenhoek. Anton van Leeuwenhoek is the father of bacteriology. And the father of virology is M.W. Benjernik. Martinus Benjernik is the father of virology. Okay, these are all the fathers of plant pathology and branches of plant pathology. Okay, we will see the disease triangle and classification of plant diseases in the next lecture. Thank you.